Number 1.
1982 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,750, beautifully maintained classic pickup with 96,000 miles on the odometer.
It's powered by a 305 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and operates smoothly on two-wheel drive.
The truck showcases a brown exterior with a matching brown interior, creating a timeless and cohesive look. Its patina paint finish adds authentic vintage character, while the body and bed remains solid and completely rust-free, a rare find for its age. The interior is in excellent condition, featuring cruise control, tilt steering, power brakes, power steering, and ice-cold air conditioning for a comfortable driving experience. Everything functions as it should, and the truck runs and drives exceptionally well, offering both reliability and style. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 stands as a fine example of a well-cared-for classic that blends originality, performance, and charm in one complete package.
Number 2.
1997 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,500, well-maintained truck with 203,000 miles on it, powered by a 454 V8 engine paired with a 4L80E automatic transmission. It runs on gasoline and features a white exterior with a blue interior. The truck comes with a clean Texas title and is described as being in solid working condition, with everything functioning as it should. It does have a minor exhaust leak on the passenger side manifold gasket, and the paint shows some small chips, mainly on the hood, though nothing too serious. The body remains clean and straight overall.
Inside, it's equipped with JL audio door speakers powered by a JL amplifier, offering upgraded sound quality.
The truck also features rear air shocks and a compressor,
which just needs to be connected. Additionally, it includes a gooseneck hitch, making it practical for towing or hauling.
Overall, this Chevy 3500 presents itself as a clean and reliable daily driver or an excellent project truck for someone looking to take it to the next level.
Number 3.
1972 Nissan 620, price $8,500, showing 94,000 original miles on the odometer. It features a manual transmission and is powered by its original L16 gasoline engine, which runs smoothly and shifts well through its 4-speed gearbox. Finished in green with a tan interior, the truck has been resprayed in its original color and remains rust-free throughout. The interior presents nicely, with an excellent headliner and door cards, while the seats have been reupholstered for a fresh look. The dashboard shows some heat cracking, but overall, this is a remarkably clean and honest example. Previously owned by the same caretaker for 38 years, this Nissan 620 stands as a solid, original representation of the classic early 1970s Japanese pickup.
Number 4.
1993 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,800, powered by a 5.7L V8 small block TBI gasoline engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission, rebuilt just 30,000 miles ago. It has 306,000 miles and has been owned since 2012, with regular oil and filter changes every 3,000 miles using Wix filters. Finished in blue exterior and interior, the truck remains all stock with no modifications.
The engine and 4x4 system both operate smoothly. Features include OEM alloy wheels, heavy-duty rear suspension, brake controller, trailer hitch, and 7-way plug. Inside, it offers an AM/FM CD radio with removable head unit and a rear sliding window. The paint is in fair condition with no dents, and the truck has a clear title. Reliable, regularly driven, and great in snow, this Chevy 2500 remains a solid and dependable classic workhorse. Number 5.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,900, features a 5.7L engine with 158,000 miles on it. The truck has recently received several maintenance updates, including a new battery, intake gasket, cap, rotor, plugs, and wires. It starts right up and runs great, though it will need a new set of tires soon. The body is in great shape, with solid rockers and only some surface rust over the rear wheel wells. The paint is slightly faded in certain areas, but overall, it remains well preserved for its age. Inside, the interior is clean, with no tears in the cloth seat, and all gauges are fully functional. This truck is mostly original, except for the grille and headlights, though the original parts are included with the sale.
Number 6.
1985 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, powered by a 350 V8 engine mated to a freshly rebuilt 400 turbo automatic transmission, offering smooth performance and a reliable driving experience. It's equipped with a narrowed 9-inch rear end, enhancing its stance and drivability. Finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, this classic truck carries a bold, timeless appeal that reflects the era's iconic Chevrolet styling. Running on gasoline, it drives strong and solid,
with only minor rust spots around the inner door areas near the seals, just surface bubbling, no holes or structural damage. While it does not include heat or air conditioning, the overall condition remains impressive for its age. This C10 stands as a well-preserved and dependable classic pickup, ideal for enthusiasts seeking a solid foundation for restoration or a reliable weekend cruiser.
Number 7.
1986 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, well-maintained 4WD pickup powered by a 305 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The odometer shows 47,000 miles, and the truck runs and sounds great. It features numerous recent updates, making it a solid and dependable classic. Since 2024, the truck has received significant mechanical improvements, including 6 new shocks, with quad shocks on the front, 8 new steel brake lines with fresh fluid, a new power steering pump, and new steering linkage. Both sides have new upper and lower ball joints, along with all new tie rod ends and a fresh alignment.
Additionally, it has new front differential fluid and a recent oil change. Number 8.
1995 Ford F250, price $4,900, showing 198,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and comes in a gold exterior with a red interior. As an XLT model, it offers power options throughout and remains very solid overall. The interior is flawless, the body straight, and the 460 V8 engine with automatic transmission runs strong. It has a Dana 60 rear end, extended lug nuts, and a fully functional 4x4 system. The truck drives smoothly with almost new tires and a clean title. Minor flaws include rusted front cab mounts, worn spring mounts, a non-working radio, and small rust spots on the driver's side.
Despite that, the rocker panels and underside are in excellent shape. Number 9.
1970 Chevrolet C20, price $7,500. The truck is in good condition for its age, showcasing the solid craftsmanship and durable build quality that Chevrolet was known for during this era. Under the hood, it features a dependable V8 engine paired with a smooth-shifting 4-speed manual transmission, delivering a true old-school driving experience that enthusiasts appreciate. It runs and drives well, with a confident road presence and the unmistakable sound of classic American power. The exterior retains its vintage character, while the interior reflects the simple yet functional design of 1970s work trucks. This C20 represents a perfect balance between utility and nostalgia.
Number 10.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,500. This truck is a black pickup with a tan interior, powered by a gasoline engine and equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck has approximately 193,000 miles on it. Although it runs well and can be driven, it does need some attention. The check engine light occasionally comes on, the transmission slips, the belt squeaks, and it will require a new driver's side window motor. On the positive side, the truck has several new and upgraded parts, including a new radio and speakers, a used rear end, new heads, new coolant temperature sensors, and a new pulley. Overall, this Chevy 1500 offers a solid foundation for someone looking for a classic truck that runs but could use a bit of mechanical and cosmetic work.